Why do you need to write automated acceptance tests if you've already got unit tests for the same functionality? I got this question recently from a developer, and it is a fair question coming from the outside, but there is a very logical answer. Unit tests and acceptance tests meet different goals. Unit tests are for documenting your APIs, your classes, your detailed behavior, and acceptance tests are for documenting, well, your acceptance criteria, your business-facing outcomes, the inputs and the outcomes of the system behavior, the user journeys from the point of view of the business. They talk about the system from very different levels. Up here we have our acceptance tests, where we describe what a business person wants to get out of the system, which may not cover all the fine details, the fine nuances, the error handling, the edge cases that happens down here inside your code. At your unit testing level, on the other hand, you need to document what your class does, the behavior of your individual classes or components, so that when you come back to it or another developer comes back to it later on, they'll understand what's going on. That's the real purpose, in my book, of unit tests. It's not about achieving some coverage goal. It's about documenting each level of your code for different audiences. So hopefully that clarifies that difference. What is the difference between unit tests and acceptance tests, and why do you need to do both of them in your application?